In today's fast-moving world, true connection has become rare. Many chase attention, but few know how to capture the heart and mind of the woman they truly care for. Captivating her mind is not about sweet words alone. It's about building a space where her soul feels seen, valued, and safe. The first step is presence. When you are with her, be fully there. No phone in your hand, no mind wandering elsewhere. Look into her eyes and actually listen, not just to her words, but to the emotions behind them. This small act tells her, "You matter to me more than anything right now." Second, understand her world. Every woman has dreams, fears, and little details that make her unique. Pay attention to them. Remember the stories she told you weeks ago. Acknowledge her struggles without instantly trying to fix them. Sometimes, she doesn't need solutions, she needs to feel that you understand. Third, vulnerability. Many men think showing emotion makes them weak. But true strength is in allowing her to see the real you, your ambitions, your insecurities, your scars. When you open that door, she feels safe to open hers. And that is where intimacy deepens, when two souls meet without masks. Finally, lead with consistency. Anyone can impress for a moment, but trust is built over time. Show up for her in big ways and small ones. Keep your word, even in the smallest promises. The more she can rely on you, the more her heart will naturally trust and follow you. Captivating her mind isn't about manipulation or charm. It's about creating a connection where she feels loved for who she truly is. And when she feels that, she won't just think about you. She'll feel you in her heart, even when you're miles away. So remember, be present, understand her world, be vulnerable, and stay consistent. That's how you don't just win her attention. You win her soul. If you value love, connection, and meaningful relationships, this is the video you've been waiting for. Subscribe for more relationship tips, psychology insights, and ways to deepen love and connection in your life.